What do you have there, Frank?
Tomatoes. You have the... Okay. Alright. Okay. Bye.
This is really nice though. It's so like tropical compared to the other camping sites. They're usually more like woodsy. Ooh. There's the bathroom.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like the one in Lake Kissimmee. I like these campsites so far. They look like Lake Kissimmee, you know, like secluded.
That's the one.
So, Jacqueline over here. Yeah. It's my vlog. I'm vlogging now.
That's right.
You vlogging?
You gotta give me the
Yeah,
link
bro.
to
I
that.
got it. Yep. Link in my bio. I don't know. That's what everyone says. Link in my bio.
What's the bio?
She finished nursing school, which most people don't. Frankie hasn't even finished high school.
I didn't finish school.
Not yet.
Still in third grade.
Frankie's still in the 4th grade. But,
What can I say?
you know, our cake's a little messed up, but, you know, we tried our best.
We're camping.
And we couldn't get congratulations graduate because it's kind of not the time. You know how usually it's around like in May because everyone's graduating.
Yeah.
So we thought luau would be better.
Try it.
Since the sun is okay, yeah. Mine is hard. It's big.
No, but who's Patrick? Patrick. Oh, he's Patrick. He's what was the old man's Patrick?
Mermaid Man and Barnacle Man?
That's Mermaid Man.
No, this one. Barnacle Boy right here. Who's Frankie?
Square Man. No, that'd be Jackie.
And what are you?
I'll be Squidward.
Yeah, you are Squidward.
You can't be Squidward because you're not always cranky.
Yeah, kinda is. Kinda is. Can't believe you didn't shave.
I asked you, I'm like, you ever shave? You're like, nah.
It's always our fault.
Yeah.
Like, you told me not to shave. No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I gave you the option.
Liar. I'm gonna shave you.
I told him to trim, but he doesn't do what I said.
Here comes Barnacle Boy.
Mermaid Man.
Wasn't he the one that said no? It's cold as
Yeah, and he's in it.
No, but it was cold, but when I went back on, now it's nice. Now it's I'm gonna put this one down here, okay? Alright. Kind of wet. Alright guys, so ghost stories.
One time I met a guy named Elvis. The end.
Oh, are you vlogging right now?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Alright. So here's a ghost story. There was one time 5 kids in the woods roasting
Wait, are you talking
marshmallows.
about us or the Boy Scouts?
No, us. So then there was these 5 kids, right, roasting marshmallows.
Oh wow.
And then when they tried connecting to the internet, there was no Wi-Fi.
You're
Unless
such
you go
an
down
idiot.
2 miles down and
Yeah.
there's free Wi-Fi over there.
There is free Wi-Fi at the beach.
Burn my lip.
You liking that s'more, huh?
Pretty good. Okay, it started.
Oh man, where the heck is Frankie going? That one mine? Yep. Okay. This is his, but I don't know. Are you gonna put him?
I'm gonna put him in this one,
Okay.
so they didn't have to get inside that.
He left. I don't know what happened.
Alright. I'll take it.
Thank you.
Well, wait, you guys get a double? I'll be right with you.
Oh man. Ah! Holy shit. Alright.
There you go.
Thank you.
No problem. It always gets busy as soon as I get here.
Yeah, he turned it on for me. Sorry. my god, we're finally here. I'm so tired.
You got a little bit of a workout.
Yeah. We're like 2 hours. Barely made it 30 minutes.
I felt a lot easier when we got to
Yeah.
You gotta do a current wind in here.
Yeah. Damn. Hey, do you mind taking this? It's fucking wet. Both of it. Farmer's like, can we go to the beach? I'm like, we're already at the beach. Like, this is...
We're already here. This is it. You want to get more toasted?
Like, look. Like, I'm soaked. Thank you. We're soaked. Oh my god, we don't have a freaking... We're gonna have to chill.
We're going to have to walk back.
Yeah.
My ass is more wet than
Then at the beach. How was the workout?
that was. No more gym. I gotta go Monday. I realized at last minute that my wallet was in my back pocket.
No!
Yeah, phone. No, my wallet.
I don't want to live because I hate to lose.
Oh, like all the tours and all of that. Yeah.
And all the museums and all that.
I like to find those like cool little dessert places where they have something like different.
Yeah.
Hey,
Ancient City Brewery, isn't this?
it's yellow. It's Little Yachty.
Isn't that it? Ancient City Brewery? Oh, that's a beer.
No, Lil Yachty has the red beet.
Yeah. Uzi Vert has different color hair. No beats.
You would know.
You just as ghetto as Jackie, Frankie.
Yeah.
Black people.
I know because of her.
No, 'cause I don't even really know who Lil Uzi Vert is.
Yes, you do.
I don't.
Even lie.
Frankie, who's Kodak Black?
Yeah.
Ain't nobody know who the fuck I am. I'm a fucking. Okay, you're gonna make a left here. So past this car.
You're in the right lane, Frank.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Yeah, but why are these guys?
Don't worry about it.
Because they're trying to park.
It's this guy. So you're gonna make a left here and then a right on Kings.
Careful with that car. Oh God, who's going?
What is going on?
I hate when people do that.
And right.
See? Bagler
Frankie.
I wonder if anybody has tried taking that.
That's like the real term.
The Leitner Museum. A hearse. Look, Claude's chocolate.
Now what? It was straight.
It's really nice. Imagine saying you go to this college.
It's nice. It's free to go outside.
Can you imagine, like, can you please move people? No, I wouldn't want to go to college here. Think about trying to go to this fucking, like, all this traffic. If Valencia pisses me off to go.
Little trolleys are nice though, because they do take you everywhere. You like jump on and off. Yeah.
Well, we're on a trolley now. Look to your right, you have Ring Havers, Student Center.
is
Mama.
where you can get all your admissions taken care of. I wonder if they have like, is that a house? Oh, beautiful.
I just needed to focus. Yeah, Frank. How are we camping and we're wine testing?
That I was the new star of the vlog.
Yeah.
She lied to you.
Who's the star of this vlog?
Right.
We'll see who it is.
Clearly.
Yeah.
Wait, so where are the other stations?
Around upstairs.
Yeah, upstairs.
Tasting continues upstairs.
You have to act like, yeah, of course. I feel the notes of ammonia.
Yeah, there's something in there.
like shit. Oh God.
Some apples and...
What is that?
Muscadine. What the hell is that? Sugar.
Star of my vlog. Competing with the other star of my
You know what
vlog.
goes here? You know what goes here?
What?
A belt.
Belt.
Put on the time party here.
Rum, vodka, meat. This is Jim. No, these are this is for.
Is this for vodka?
I don't think so. Yeah, so
I thought vodka was made with potatoes.
Some vodkas.
Some vodkas are made with potatoes.
yeah, everything.
Frankie, since you took classes, you can give us a tour for free. Explain.
I know.
Well, here you got your citrus. Here. You got then you got the soil right there. And you dig it up and then you eat it.
You boil it and you eat it. That's how liquor comes about.
And then once you piss it all out, it turns into vodka.
It's like different, just like they said yesterday, like different areas of the world produce different cocoa like leaves. Look at my money, it's like blue. I think that's nice.
I want to try their gin, even though I'm not a fan of it. I had one gin and I loved it, and I want to see if I can find something like that.
Hold this in here and grind it up. This little hole right here.
Sugar cane, we eat this.
Yeah, but that's fine.
Yeah, I know, but we be eating that shit.
Sugar cane?
Chew it. Chew that sugar. Ganya.
Smell this, guys.
Why? Why do you want me to smell that?
Citrus. See, I care about my audience.
I can't add a smell thing to it.
A smell thing.
Yeah. It should be like the computers, like, release smells.
Dude, that's what. No, I'm not gonna say that over the line because then somebody's gonna take my idea. What are you gonna do? What you said? I'll tell you.
The little goat. Where is it? This is my favorite place. Yeah.
I want to buy one of those focaccia bread.
I did want to get something, like a sauce or something. What we have here? Jelly? Did you try all the syrups? Tomato herb brochetta.
Lemon curd.
Red.
You idiot. Dark cherry? Dark chocolate cherry sauce?
These people, all they do is freaking came here to eat. They're not even gonna buy shit.
You like this?
No, we ain't. That shit good.
No, I don't like it. Man, there's more stuff over there.
And then on that side they have another painting with their evil.
Guys, how we doing today? Burgers for bongos, samosas, Bloody Marys, got all you can eat buffet.
Man.
$12 endless mimosas? We
Oh man.
We forgot today was Sunday.
Idiots, and we had some shit burrito.
All you can eat.
Every Sunday,
Alright, kid,
10:30.
Damn, we gotta come back.
Take care.
Until what time?
3:30.
So it's like almost
1:14.
now.
We still have 2 hours.
I mean, we technically already ate. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can just enjoy it endless mimosas.
Yeah. Why not?
We're nasty. We're nasty.
Yeah, you're.
Look, all you can eat omelets.
We
You
already
said
ate.
that we
Roast
practically
beef.
They have a carving
Yeah.
station.
Fried chicken, mashed potatoes and gravy, salad, fruit. Guys are so great.
It's really contemplating.
Well,
We have too much.
I mean, I look like shit right now to be
Well,
eating a nice brunch.
Yeah, I mean,
We're not gonna be eating.
Yeah, but then we're just gonna drink.
Of course.
You know that you're gonna want to eat when you start drinking.
I tried.
Thank you, though. That's it. Why can't we have that back home? Why can't we find that? Why can't we just be walking and be like, yo, we have endless, okay. Because at home I'll be like, fuck yeah.
You can, but it's in downtown.
We should have walked this way.
Yeah, but
yesterday,
it's probably
and we would have
not.
known about brunch, and we could have just.
So, okay, so, you know that
part is
casa?
dirty as
Oh
shit.
my god, inside and out.
Oh
Take
my.
video of it. Put it on the vlog.
So, you know that place Casa that Melina was telling us about? It's like $34,
Yeah.
but it's all you can eat and drink.
We're not art.
So we can look.
Me and
What do
Frankie
you
are.
want to do?
Yeah.
Me and Frankie, we went to a gallery.
Yeah, let's
We went to a gallery.
Whatever, I could probably can't record in here, so let me just turn it off.
Friday, we got free candy.
Frankie, you're an idiot.
Remember this?
What is that? Oh, the candy cigarette?
Yeah.
Candy cigarettes.
I always like those. You never got married?
You never had a Mary Jane?
There's a picture.
I had real Mary Jane.
There's a picture of it that my mom has. Yeah. Are you recording?
Yeah.
You gonna record just walking all
Yep, that's called vlogging. That's what people with vlogs do.
No, they
Record
don't.
conversations. What do they do?
They record a little bit here. A little bit there.
That's exactly what I'm doing. Yeah. I'm recording little by little.
life.
But lots of money.
Lots of money.
Laces?
Have you guys ever had fireballs?
Those aren't really.
My mom loves those.
They're good.
It's just cinnamon.
Yeah, it's a shit ton of cinnamon.
It's like cinnamon. Cinnamon.
These are so good.
What is that?
Have you ever, like, this is coffee candy.
Oh.
It tastes just like coffee, but it's so good. When I went to the candy convention in Chicago, they gave us a bag of these. It's just so damn good. So good. This vlog is battery brought to you by. Get this.
I'm not sponsored yet.
Well, we're gonna sponsor you.
No sponsorship here.
We gotta get followers.
We gotta get followers. Yeah, I gotta get followers. You pissed? You pissed? You just spent $10 with candy?
Brought to you by
Brought to you by
Bazooka, the gum that expires in a second. Try it today.
You gotta get a Zot.
Get a Zop. Try one of these.
Okay, I'll try one.
You're gonna like fucking.
No, you try a Zot.
Give me a Zop.
Coffee candy.
And you have coffee?
Yeah.
Try it.
It's like a pop.
I like
Right now, I can have whatever I want except for alcohol.
Dad, would you like a coffee candy?
Come here. Would you want a coffee candy?
It comes with a comic.
What? Bazookas? Yeah. Collect them all and you win nothing.
Really?
How did Mort and Joe get here?
This is like coffee though.
They got lazy over the years. It's like toffee candy.
Stop talking shit about Bazooka because they're not gonna sponsor us now.
I don't allow filming in my phone.
Oh.
Oh, she was talking
Oh,
to
well.
you.
Dude, that one is the 8-person one. I mean, the 8-person one, the one that I want.
I'm leaving. A little mosquito.